welcome back to my channel. I'm Joyce and today I'm gonna show you this product that I just bought. In the drugstore. So let's just see how it works. I've been wanting to color my hair in blue for a long time, so I want to try how this works first before I do something crazier. So this is the brand Loreal. This is the Colorista Spray, and it says 1 day color. I saw that they had different colors. One was like pink, one was like bright red, they had purple, they had light blue, and this one is like a kind of a jeans kind of blue. So let me show you here. This is the blue that I'm getting. My hair is really dark originally, so this is how it looks for dark hairs, and this is how it's supposed to be looking from the blonde hairs. The instruction says, place a towel around your shoulders, shake well before use, and spray 10 to 15 centimeters away from dry hair. My hair is dry now, so let's see how it looks. Wish me luck, because I haven't done this ever by myself. Okay, so let's try to do this. So I'm gonna grab a towel. Okay, so now I'm going to try to grab small parts of my hair, like let's say here. As you can see from my roots, my hair is really dark, and you can see some rays already. Wow, I love it. This is great. And now, the color dries in minutes. Let me finish this part here. I'm so excited. Okay. I will wait. It looks really nice and cool. Okay, so my hand has no color, so it's good. Let's see. I have lots of hair, so I'm just thinking to do 2 parts on my hair. Okay, so now my hand caught some paint. So let's see. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm liking it a lot. I love this color. It looks so fake, but I love it. Okay, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna just leave it like that. Just do my ends here a little bit more. And it seems that this part it's still a little bit fresh. Okay. Now, I wonder what happens if I brush it. It feels very, okay. It feels very like dry, and the part that is colored, and this part hasn't dried. This is still. It feels like you had put some powder on your hair, but I wanted to do something fun once in a while, no? I'm gonna try to do some braids to see how it looks. I don't know what you think, but I do like it. I mean, just for one day and one crazy day, why not? So let me know in the comments below what do you think, and I will let you know what happens to the next day. And this is how I wake up in the morning with my face blue. See? And I don't have as many blue hair as yesterday. Let's see this side. There's still a bit there. Or what will happen in my pillow tonight. While I was trying to brush it kind of got stick and my hands got a little bit blue. Let's see how it works. I like both sides. I like them for like maybe lighting some days, then some crazy days like I said, and just to change a little bit. Let me know what crazy things you have done during this lockdown. I just try to do fun things for me and for the family sometimes, just to make it a little bit different and just try to switch up a little bit how things are at home, just being at home and being bored. So today it was my hair. I don't want to put more because I have lots of hair like I said, and my hair is really thick. At the moment I like it. I didn't add anything else, and I mean not other chemicals or anything, and I didn't straighten it before or after. I just don't want to damage my hair more. This is it. This is how this looks like. The color is blue 300. So just if you like it and you have the dark hair like me or colored hair like me, this is how kind of will look like. Okay, so let me tell you what happened with this hair product. I really loved how it looked on my hair, how the color to be is very specific, how the color looked in my hair, but I did not like at all how the feeling of my hair was. It was really rusty, it was really dry. If you touch your hair, you will get your fingers dirty or painted. Your clothes might actually be colored as well. So just be careful with that. You can do it you can use it just for fun. You can just like I did. Just try not to wear white whenever you do it. Maybe for Halloween will be nice. If you try to brush it, it will like feel really like if it was tangled. It's not a good feeling. And my pillow, like I show you, it was like I will show you here. It was really, really blue. It's just for, I wouldn't say even a day. I will say just for a dinner or an occasion, and then you wash your hair before you go to sleep if you don't want to ruin your pillowcase or your bed sheets. That is my experience with this color. I love the color, but not the feeling. And the price, it was around 20 Canadian dollars. So I wouldn't buy it again unless, like I told you, it's like something that it's just for fun, just for an occasion. Let me know what do you think on the comments below about this product, if you have used it and if you will try it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Okay, that's it for today. See you the next time. Bye bye.